What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Newbies Modified, Ethan, your host. Yeah, it's a beautiful day. It's a little rainy, but we got some updates. I do have the engine in that I was gonna pull for the Maxima. It's an Infinity engine. Got the engine in. Got the engine here, and we got the transmission over in the garage next to my stepdad's Harley. I was going into the Nissan here. So we are about to start that build. So that means if I'm starting that means that I got me a new car. Some of y'all follow me on Instagram and Facebook. You already seen the new car. But for those who don't, you are about to see the new car. And I shouldn't have done it. Maybe I should have. But anyways, it's right here. It's a Chevy Lumina. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. Son playing in the background. We got, what did we get here, guys? We got a 2015 Mustang GT 6-speed, the 5.0. Dark metallic impact blue with the aftermarket racing stripe put on it. We're running triple 5s in the rear on some 20s, Pirelli P0s in the front on 20s. Just normal setup rims. I will be getting staggered or track pack maybe soon. So it's the 2015 metallic blue with the tan and black heated and electric seats. This 6-speed. It's the premium, so we have the good navigation system in there. The only thing I wish I had was the memory seats. Got the back seat in there. So we got the Nitto triple 5s on the rear with the Pirelli P0s on the front. I'm running what was on it already. It's got two 65, 35, 20s in the rear, and we have two 65, 35, 20s in the front. So that's just the quick walk around. I've got some mods already on the way. So I'll be making a video of us installing that. We've been working most of the day off camera on axle and hub on my mom's truck. It was off camera, my phone's dead. It hasn't been wanting to charge, but yeah. My son in here playing in the new car. Come on, Bubba. So since I went and got the 2015, my brother had to go get this 2013 GT 6-speed. So I'm sure he's gonna have some mods soon. I'm gonna start having him. We're gonna be doing both of these builds together, but I'm sure. Yes, that is his 2013 5.0. I have the 15, so I have a Gen 2, he has a Gen 1. Mine, as I've already seen because I looked at it a little bit, has a off-road X-pipe and Flowmaster axle backs, so it's a little loud. But it is a little loud. It quiets down just a little bit. But anyway, guys, it is at the performance. So I have the sport, the track, and the snow mode. I've got normal steering, sport, and comfort. there she is, guys, the 2015 G that we went and picked up. The deep metallic blue manual. Need to take it for a wash. But like I said, we got some mods coming soon. I got them coming on the way. I'm going to be looking into some tires, some rims, them things. What else will I be looking for? Probably doing some exhaust on it, so stay tuned. I'm looking for Corsa. I know you're not watching, but if you figured this out and watch this, please hit me up and let me talk to you about what I want to run on this car. Corsa exhaust, because it's the best. I want the loudest. If I don't run Corsas, I was thinking about just keeping this and fabbing in some headers and then putting a dump, a cutout right after the headers. So if I want it super loud, I can. If not, it's just going through the mufflers, or I can just turn it and open it super loud. But I got the car seat in there because it is a daily driver. It will be a daily driver. Always will be a daily driver. I want to get this baby spoiler off of here. These are aftermarket vinyl wraps, is what I'm noticing. I want to change this, take it off, maybe do 2 stripes, or I want to wrap the whole Mustang. Maybe not even a wrap, maybe a spray on. Dude, the guys who did It's Just a 6, call it the Meet Miata, who's done Po' Boy's trucks. If I don't know them, look up It's Just a 6 and Po' Boy. Yes, they have beautiful cars. That's my inspiration to get this. I watch It's Just a 6 channel a lot. But today, guys, it's just a short little video of what we got going on. Just got a lot of mods coming soon. Stay tuned. Thank you for the views. Like, subscribe, follow, and goodbye.